Hello there! This week I show you the star of the week in my kitchen, this creamy and delicious bacon pasta with a secret ingredient. So let's start. In a glass jug, I add the chicken and beef stock with a bit of hot water and take it to the microwave for 2 minutes. I then mix thoroughly and take it to the microwave for further 1 minute. I boil a large pan full of water to cook the pasta. In a large pan, I add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and add the bacon lardons and fry until brown. I then remove the bacon and in the same oil I add the butter and evaporated milk, my secret ingredient. To this I season with pepper and dry oregano. I do not use salt as the stock cubes will give saltiness to the dish. I sieve the stock cubes into the mix to avoid any lumps. In the meantime, as my pasta water is boiling, I add the pasta and cook according to the packaging instructions with some salt. With this sauce, it's very important that we continue to stir. We need to keep stirring to avoid the sauce from burning or sticking to the pan. I add 1 tablespoon of the pasta water to my mix. And I continue to stir until you start seeing the bottom of the pan. Once this happens, your sauce has thickened and is ready. I then add the bacon back. And add the cheese and turn the hob off. Look how creamy it is, and if you keep stirring, it won't stick to your pan. This is a totally different flavor from the normal pasta with cream. Please let me know what do you think once you try it. I have made this dish since I was 12 years old, as it is so simple but delicious. Once the pasta is boiled, I mix it all together and I add the pasta and more oregano. My family and friends adore this dish and they can never get enough. Hope you enjoy it and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.